How to fix your laptop keyboard automatically pressing keys issue. To solve that problem, first you will need to right click on the start button, and then you want to go to the device manager, and you should expand the keyboards category. Now you want to click on your main keyboard device, and if you have multiple ones like this, you should do it or do the following steps for each one of them. So right click and then choose update driver, and then search automatically for driver, and make sure you're connected to the internet while doing this. And if it says that you have the best device drivers installed already, you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers, and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and select your main keyboard device, which is this one here. Might be different for you. Click on next and wait for it to install it, and simply do the same steps for each one of these entries here. And now you can simply close this and then just restart your computer. And after restarting your keyboard, you should check if that solves the problem. And if it doesn't, for some reason, here's what you can do. First, you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And from here, if you are in Windows 11, you should click on the accessibility category or button. Otherwise, you can search for accessibility in the search bar here. You can simply type access to quick search and then click on ease of access keyboard settings. And in this window, make sure that use sticky keys is turned off, and use filter keys is also turned off if you have them on already. And now you can close out of this, and if for some reason this still doesn't fix the issue for you, it could be that the key is probably stuck or has some dust or debris. So in that case, you'll probably need to clean your key. You can basically open up the laptop and clean the keyboard, or if you don't want to open it up, you can basically turn off the laptop and then unplug it and spray some alcohol or perfume on the key that is causing the issue, and keep pressing it for a few minutes and then wait for it to dry. Now you can basically restart your computer, and that should pretty much solve the problem. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.